video. Now, before we get started, let's do a little housekeeping. And I really appreciate what you guys do for the channel. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification button to get all the updates of all the videos that I put up. Now, guys, this comes from Horn Cay from the Coast Guard, where a Coast Guard air station Clearwater, Bahamas, Turks, and Caicos aircrew rescued 2 people from their 73-foot vessel, which ran aground in bad weather north end of Horn Cay on the 11th of April. Now, what the Operation Bahamas, Turks, and Caicos is called OBBAT. And what basically is they send a helicopter out to work with the Bahamian Defense Force to do drug interdiction and other types of law enforcement. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Now, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification button to get any updates that I put up. And also, make sure that you check out our partner channel, and he really appreciates it because this guy works hard. It is Boat Mania from Hollover Inlet. And if you guys really like the videos that we put out and you want to support the channel, hit the thanks button below because we are looking to upgrade our equipment. And thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.